Hello guys, welcome to my video. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to use the if statements in Python. So first you're going to want to make a variable, so let's say name equals, and then let's say we want to get input from the user. Input, enter your name. Now what this means is I set input enter your name in the variable name. So when I type out print, if I type out print name, it's going to print out enter your name. So if I this program run, no. There we go, it did it. So this is what it means when you store it in a variable. So now we're going to use this in if statements. So we're going to write if, and then open bracket, name is equal to, and then let's say Basil, and then make sure it's 4 spaces. Make sure this area over here is between 4 spaces. As you can see, 1, 2, 3, 4. Python will set it automatically, but you can double check. And now you're telling Python if name is equal to Basil, and now you need to print out what you want it to. So I'll write print, and then open bracket, hello, and then write plus name. Now what this is going to do when I run the program, it's going to print hello and the name. And name is the input, so no matter what I write, it will do this. So let's go ahead and run the program. Enter my name, Basil. Hello, Basil. Oh, there's no space over here. I can just go back, add the space there, run it again. There we go. Now, because I didn't run anything else, like I did, so no matter what I write, it's still going to say hello, add name. Like, say for example, I type this. It's not really going to write anything. It's just going to finish. So now I have to go here. And now print else. Now this is telling the program, so say for example you wake up in the morning. If you're hungry, you would eat breakfast. If you're not, you would skip it. This is what Python is going to do. So if the name is not equal to Basil, it's going to skip it and go to else. So if it's not going to be so if name doesn't equal Basil, else print don't lie to me. Print I can see through your eyes. And then if you want to add the name they entered, you can write plus and then name, because now Python knows name is equal to the input, which is what the person wrote. So now when I go ahead and run this program, enter my name. If I write Basil, it's going to say hello Basil. But if I write Tom, it's going to say don't lie to me, I can see through your eyes, Tom. I've got that space, but so now I told Python if the name is not Basil, go here, because it's going to skip this because it's not what I wanted it to be. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please smash that like button, hit the subscribe, and let me know what other video I should do. And by the way, if you guys were wondering, I was actually on my phone, connected the keyboard to it. And if you want to know how I done that, you got to stay tuned and watch my next video. I'll catch you in the next one.